Hello everyone. Today I am presenting a recipe of Kashmiri Dum Aloo with a slight innovation. My lockdown version of Dum Aloo using big potatoes in place of baby potatoes, and also instead of deep frying the aloos, I have boiled the aloos till they were slightly more than half done, poked them with a fork, preheated my air fryer for 5 minutes, placed the aloos in the air fryer, drizzled 2-3 tablespoon oil and toasted in the air fryer for 15-20 minutes till they were nicely crisp and nicely browned. Gravy for dish is also very simple to make. No onion, no garlic and no tomatoes. Though I have used little bit of tomato puree to give it some color and also some dahi to give it a nice flavor. Kashmiri food is highly flavorful, I must say, because of the aromatic spices which they use, whole spices as well as freshly grounded spices and the powdered spices. I have also used hing, tej patta, black cardamom, cumin seeds, peppercorns, cloves, soft powder, salt powder, dhania powder, salt, haldi, Kashmiri lal mirch powder, which gives it a very nice color. I must say, a delicious preparation which is full of flavors, easy to make and low on fat. You can have it with roti, parantha or any bread of your choice. I hope you like my recipe. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Food for Soul by Anju Mathur. Thank you so much and bye bye.